We are Lucky Iron Fish, and we are a Canadian social enterprise that makes and sells the Lucky Iron Fish, which is a little cooking tool that when you boil it in any liquid or broth-based meals for 10 minutes, it can provide a whole family with the iron they need, and it's reusable for about 5 years. And our first introduction to eShipper was the shipping platform. So we found that by using the eShipper platform just for our shipping needs saved a significant amount of costs and time for us. We now have a one-stop shop for inventory management. Our shipping costs and assembly costs have gone down. Everything's happening in one place. It's far easier to monitor and takes up far less of our time. It's also very reliable, so we're not chasing things down. Some of our pain points were just too many stops in the supply chain and not enough automation as far as things like inventory management. We had to do manual counts. We were having to drive over to the warehouse to do checks on inventory and counts. And eShippers changed that for us. They answer every request promptly. If something is delayed or they're not sure about something, they're transparent and upfront. Always in communication with us, so we always know what's happening. And together with partners like eShipper, we are helping to put this little fish into pots all over the world.